Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both stayed bullish, but one point to note how the critical resistance levels played out despite the bullishness, as we mentioned and discussed very strongly today morning that why 15360 is a great resistance for Nasdaq 100. Precisely, it is reversed from very close to 15360 levels. At the same time, 35400 levels, US30 is still struggling to break past by and stay above. So what to expect now with the US session from Dow Jones and Nasdaq? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and hence press the bell icon. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do, because pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the live analysis. First update released with the Asia and Europe session. This is the second update. Now let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Now see, we have seen earlier in the day that 15360 levels is a great resistance. It has almost got the resistance at the same levels, and hence if you see it trading above 15360 you can buy. However, the next strongest resistance is at 15420, only above 15420, where is the level above which I will recommend you to stay bullish in Tech 100. Till 15420 it is still bearish. It is still looking forward to a drop. Now if you look at the hourly charts right now, what it is trying to do, getting the support or gathering support here at 15300, and hence see here I will recommend you to sell here at 15270 levels. Below 15270 is where little more bearishness. Also you must note that 15250 is the nearest support, and below 15250 is where the bears will take over for 15200 and below levels. So till 15200 also we have to be cautious here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. It is still in green. It is still bullish. RSI looking down, trading slightly bearish. While on the 2-hour charts, if you look at the flat top and a bearish candle here, it is a swing candle. The next candle, when it opens lower, possibly it could try to drag the prices little low. We may see 15250 levels, but remember it is trying to create a bearish channel on its own. A buying entry is now only above 15360. This is very clear. So if you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. The MACD is still in green. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see, first of all, lower highs in the previous candle, flat bottom, and this candle is trying to show a swing. The next candle definitely will try to bring another red candle, taking it towards 15250 or 15200 and below levels. We have to be careful here. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is slightly in green. RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, see, first of all, between the 20 and 200 period moving average is what it is trying to position itself. See, precisely both the levels at the moving averages. This is the beauty of the support levels, and hence once it stays below 15270 you can expect it to get the next support at 15250, and then further to that we may see it trading bearish till towards 200. See, it is trying to create a bearish channel on its own. The support levels are little far below at 15100. Stochastic slightly overbought. MACD is still trying to trade with divergence, however, and yes, it is also at a slightly lower. Hence from here the downside is limited, however the upside has wide scope for it. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily charts, one important point we have noted that, see, the previous candle was a red candle. This was the first and only red candle here after a couple of retracement, and hence we can expect a second red candle here, which may either try to fall short of the yesterday's lows or can in fact achieve yesterday's lows, and hence below 15270 and 250 levels, yes, more bearishness is going to prevail. We can look forward to 200 and below levels, and yes, that is also after formation of a good wick, so possibly we can see a little more drop from here in Tech 100. Stochastic at bottom trying to retrace. MACD is divergent, bearish, looking downwards. RSI is almost trading flat. So for the day we are not going to take any position between 15360 and 15270 levels. For this 90 points, stay away from Tech 100. Below 15270 you can still expect the nearest support at 15240 and 50 levels, and then 200 is a must. Below that it can try to either fall shy of yesterday's lows, touch yesterday's lows, or in fact it can give you a bigger red candle also, taking it till towards 15100 levels. Be careful. Yes, right now it appears to be trading bearish. Possibly we can see a drop till towards at least 200 or below levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start in first week of September. Register yourself club itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. You will find see lower highs. Certainly 35,400 is a great resistance, and the support levels you can see here is at 35,300 to 80. Now this is the zone where we are going to get maximum resistance or support here. Hence a sell entry below 35,300 can be taken, but 280 is what the safer entry is. 270 or 280 zone is what the safer sell entry, below which you can see more bearishness in US30. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards here. MACD is in green. RSI is also looking down, staying slightly bearish. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, see support levels are seen here. And look at the previous candle, bullish candle, then bearish, and this candle will decide its direction. Certainly it is going to stay a swing candle. Any drop below 35,300 is where the bears will take over here, where more bearishness may prevail. Also, you should look at what it has done. Drop, retracement, and again possibly it can continue with the downward move. Stochastic looking downward here. MACD has crossed over for buy. MACD is still trading in green. RSI is flat here. Coming to 3-hour on the 3-hour chart, swing all along. Previous two candles definitely a swing, and see till the time this levels here at 270 are respected, possibly the chances of a reversal also will exist strong. Only point to note here is it is consistently giving lower highs, lower lows. So yes, it is still trading bearish. Stochastic looking down here. MACD is in green, RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, one important point to note is the higher lows, higher highs. Hence, first 35,300, next 35,270. These are the two levels. Only if it stays below, then you can say that the US30 is going to look forward to a sharper drop. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, first also let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see the daily charts, the 20 period moving average is also one of the support levels here, which is right now situated at around 35,180 levels, and hence even if it stays below this zone at 35,270, you can still expect almost 100 points. That is 35,180, 150 levels are certainly going to be a great support, and then 35,100. Once it drops below 35,100, more bearishness may prevail. See, it has to drop a bit, that is for sure. Why? You can see lower highs, flat top. 35,500 is the ultimate resistance here. First red candle yesterday, second red candle today may prevail, and we are going to look forward to a good drop. So second red candle has to be there. And how far it can stretch, either till towards the yesterday's lows or a slightly higher level, that is what you have to look at. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 35,300. However, 270, 250, 200 till 200 very good support. Below that 35,100 is the next target, and then we may see it dropping further till towards 35,000 level. On the upside, you can buy here at 400, but then remember it has got great resistance till towards 35,500 levels. Till 35,500 we have to be cautious, careful, and alert. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.